So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we have true privilege and honor to represent and present to you this beautiful 1968 Chevy C10 pickup truck. And this truck comes to us highly modified, a top-end Resto-Mod style restoration on just an awesome floor plan, that short bed, standard cab, C10. And this truck comes to us with this gorgeous like charcoal metallic paint, the custom leather interior, and this truck's been touched bumper to bumper, all kinds of neat little touches, just like shaving the marker lights, some of the body lines that it's kept, and it's just powered by the 502 Ramjet, modern amenities, four-wheel Wilwood power disc brakes, power steering, AC, and it's got full independent front suspension, tubular A-arms, just some of the cool little touches, just like the drip rail's been shaved, but they left just a little bit, just for a little bit of a styling. All your body gaps are excellent. Come into that interior, so you have very tastefully done throughout, custom leather interior, that wood bed, and of course the truck is on air ride, so your bed sits a little bit higher so you can drop it down on the ground. And it's not just an absolutely stunning C10, it's a great driving truck as well. So we'll grab the other camera, we'll go for a test drive. Tasteful interior.
Oh, just a gorgeous truck in general.
And it's comfortable.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. These seats are incredible.
So now we're going to take a test drive in that gorgeous 1968 Chevy C10 Resto-Mod.
Yeah.
And that 502 Ramjet, I mean, it fires up. I mean, it's reported, yeah, just lights off like it should. That 4L80 transmission acts just like it should. Now the odometer is showing 385 miles.
So I'm trying to shut off the Bluetooth.
Yeah, she did, but sorry about that. It does have Bluetooth stereo.
Yep.
So we just showed you that it works. But the odometer is showing 385 miles, and that's believed to be the miles since the build.
Yeah.
But I mean, this truck definitely was gone through and shook out. It does everything that it should do.
I mean, it looks, runs, drives, and presents like a fresh build. I mean, it is. Which actually, I think the build's like 4 years old, but
it kind of appears to be. Yeah. But there is like no wear on this truck. It presents like a 400-mile fresh
no, this
build.
truck has been pampered.
Yeah. And just some awesome touches that we'll show on the body work when we do the walk-around inspection. I mean, it's just going to be a highlight reel just how nice this truck is. There's no condition issues on this truck.
No, not at all.
But beautiful touches, just how they did the vintage air controls, the
radio
gauges,
delete. Yeah.
the radio delete, I believe it's a low-car shifter, but it's a low-car style shifter at least. You know, the tilt steering, the tasteful steering wheel, and everything's just really nicely done. Nothing's over the top.
No. It's kind of real understated. I mean, it's just little minor, like, custom touches. You kind of have to go through the truck and keep looking at it. Every day we find another new touches to this truck that just, I mean, just add to it, the character. I mean, you have the deleted marker lamps. Those panels have been smooth. The drip rail has been cut down and kind of smoothed out, but they left just enough to keep that character in the body lines in the cab. I mean, the rear, I mean, the roll pan, it's just not they didn't just bolt a smooth roll pan in there. I mean, they followed the body line from the tail lamps and brought it down underneath, so everything just kind of flows on the truck. It's just a lot of tasteful little stuff.
Yeah. I mean, it's one of those vehicles we wish we had more time to, you know, sit and study and just independent front suspension.
Yeah. And fully adjustable. I mean, all the control arms are adjustable, polished and tubular. I mean, the frame's been smoothed in box. The bed's been smooth. It's got that awesome custom.
Been smooth.
Yeah. It's got that awesome custom wood bed in there. It's just gorgeous. This truck just, I mean, it stands out. Everybody who's walked into our showroom since we've had the truck, they take notice. It's one of those trucks that, I mean, as soon as you get close to it, you just know that this truck's above the rest.
Yeah.
I mean, it cruises down the road effortlessly.
Yeah, I mean, 50 miles per hour, you know, easy down the road. They do have a little bit of air noise.
Yeah, a little bit of something like quarter of the vent windows.
That's had the factory vent windows. We do have a little bit of wind noise there, but
you got a great sound coming from that 502. I mean, your rumbles, the interior. I mean, this truck sounds tough. I mean, it does.
I can't wait till after the roundabout.
Yeah.
Just to hear that note when we get that 502 to breathe a little bit.
Absolutely.
We are up to temperature. It runs very consistent. The cooling system works like it should. Runs consistent between 190 and 195. You can tell when the thermostat opens up.
And you've got all full custom velocity digital gauges throughout the truck. You got your gauges here for the air ride system.
I'm running right about 50 psi on the oil when I let off the gas. You know, charging like it should be. And the air ride system is really easily adjustable. It's a nice system.
Yeah, the remote's just here in the center console. But yeah, I mean, and it's got a, I mean, you can set it up to, I mean, stand it at a show, stance it just the way you want to. But I mean, it looks good at every height.
Yeah. The paint on this truck is phenomenal.
It is. I mean, that is a professional paint job throughout. I mean, there's no orange peel. That reflection is crisp throughout.
It is. All right, time to let that 502 come to life. So now that we're done with the test drive, we'll go right into the walk-around inspection portion of this video on this gorgeous 68 Chevy C10 Resto-Mod. And it, like we said before, this is going to be a highlight reel of just how beautiful this truck is. So there's no condition items that we need to speak of. The paint is excellent throughout. No orange peel. That reflection is nice and crisp and clear. The metallic is laid evenly throughout. And so Tyler's just going to kind of go over the truck and just show you how beautiful it is. And I'll point out just a few things like the body gaps. Pay attention to the body gaps. They're even throughout the truck. All four of your wheels are in excellent condition, and it presents like a 500-mile build.
I mean, there's no signs, I mean, where the marker lights have been smoothed out. I mean, there's no signs of body work there. Your Bonspeed wheels are in excellent condition. Your Wilwood calipers have been painted to match the red in the interior.
You know, just nice custom touches like the tucked bumper.
Tucked and painted bumper.
Tucked and painted bumper. You know, they kept the stainless surround on the grills. It just gives you a really nice touch. Break up that gorgeous charcoal finish.
The updated LED headlights.
There again, you know, your body gaps are excellent throughout the truck. All your rubber moldings are excellent. And I really like this tastefully done drip rail where they've cut it way back, scaled it back. They even kept this roof line, this seam, you know, the painted door handles, and this interior. What a gorgeous interior. And these custom metal door panels with the custom leather, custom carpet. Beautifully done interior.
Custom center console. Reveals your amplifier and your controls for the air ride. Cup holders and the low car style shifter. Painted dash is just finished excellently. You got the leather in between your gauges.
And all your both your doors and your hood, they open and close just like they should with ease on this caliber of a built vehicle. All your body panels are nice and straight. You got that wood-laid bed. Very nice touch.
The frame underneath the truck has been boxed and smoothed and notched in the rear for the air ride system so you can set it down nice and low when you park it at a show.
And even in the bed, you know, these panels have been brought out. Everything's just smooth, everything's tasteful. Just another neat little touch is they kept this body line down, so it's not just a smooth roll pan. They kept that body line down there for a cool added touch. Your tailgate is functional, and it's very nicely done. So many of these vehicles we see where this panel, they don't leave that finished, or they don't finish it. They leave it unfinished.
Yeah, it's open.
This has been finished. You got your factory lenses coming across the driver's side, just very comparable to the passenger side, in excellent condition. Just a beautiful and tastefully done truck. Rear glass, excellent condition.
And this truck is just definitely just a high-end professional build throughout. He even has that new leather smell inside this interior.
Coming back outside, well, in the engine compartment, you see that beautifully installed 502 Ramjet, nice and clean installation, smooth firewall. You can get a glimpse of the tubular front suspension, fully independent front suspension. You got your hood hinges with gas props, with some other nice, tastefully touches to this truck, and inner fenders, which is a really nice touch, especially on a bagged vehicle. So I'll fire up that 502, show you some lights working.
Show you some lights working. There's your headlights with brights. Driver side turn signal. Passenger side turn signal. All your front lights work like they should. There's your running lights, brake lights, driver side turn signal, passenger side turn signal. By what you delivers an awesome sound.
So if you're in the market for a very special Resto-Mod C10, excuse me, or any custom truck, you definitely want to take a very close look at this awesome 1968 Chevy C10 Resto-Mod. Rock Solid Motorsports.